Welcome, here I've got Oppo A54 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Here let's focus on composition. When we pick it, we can see the level at the last place, so by using the button from the right we can turn on our leveler and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera, and here at the center we can see these lines. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we want to take the straight picture. And of course when we don't need it, we have to go back to the right corner to the composition and use the button with level to turn it off. So now the leveler here has gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.